on, y'all. We frying chicken today. We gonna brine in some pickle juice. It's so tasty, y'all. It's just tasty. Hey, what's up, y'all? Welcome to Stelly Grill and Chills. Hey, we finna cook a lot of great food today. So hey, you know what time it is. Let's get it. So yeah, I got half a chicken that I done cut up. Now we haven't put any seasoning on this chicken at all. We're gonna go ahead and brine it. So we're gonna get it in this Ziploc bag right here. And then we're gonna come in with our pickle brine. Now you can use a brine that you made yourself, or you can use whatever type of pickles you like. Use the juice from those pickles. But however you decide to do it, you need to go ahead and get that juice in. Make sure it's covering all of your chicken like I'm doing here. Now I'm using a Ziploc bag. You can use a bowl, however you decide to do it. I like the Ziploc bag method because I can go ahead and just have something that I can throw away instead of having to clean it up. Now we're going to let this marinate for about 2 hours. Now after 2 hours, it's time to rain on it, y'all. We're going to go ahead and hit them with a little salt. Some fresh pepper. Some cayenne. And some garlic and onion powder, y'all. After that, we got a dredge here. Now this is flour with salt and pepper in it. And we're gonna get our chicken into our dredge. Now of course, we wanna make sure our chicken is coated well with our flour. Hey, I think it coated. You know what time it is. Gotta fry it up, y'all. Gotta fry it up. So let's go ahead and get this in this grease. Oh yeah. I hope y'all try this. Hey, the pickle brine makes a world of a difference. It really do, y'all. It really do. Now after we get that nice crispy coating on one side, let's go ahead and turn our chicken. Now me myself, I love to fry my chicken in cast iron. Now you can use a deep fryer if you want to. Ain't nothing wrong with that, y'all. But look at how good that chicken looks in that cast iron. Don't it look pretty? You know it looks pretty. So after we reach an internal temperature of 165, let's go ahead and get our chicken out this grease, y'all. Cause you know what time it is now. It's time to eat. Now with my chicken, I made me some mashed potatoes, made me some fried asparagus, and hey, you know I had to have me some gravy, so let's get it on there. Oh my goodness, that gravy always make it good, y'all. Make it good. Oh my goodness, look how good that plate look, y'all. I can't wait to turn to this, y'all. But anyway, love, peace, and keep it grilling, y'all. See you.